Ayori Nihal. He explained about his project. Actually, his project name is water tank, air water tank. Let us listen from his own words about his project.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nihal. I study in third class. I do a project. The project name is water tank. When you open a tap, water is from outside. Thank you.
Thank you, Nana. Very good, Nana. Your project is very nice, and you have showed your project also. How does it work? Very nice of you.